This is the Doctor's Data Neurobiogenic Amines urine test kit. This is just a urine sample test kit. Very simple, don't overcomplicate it. Let me just get out a few of the items that we're going to need for this test kit. First, let's go over this test requisition form. All you're going to need to fill out is this patient information area highlighted in green. We filled out the rest of this requisition form for you. You will need to place this back in the box before we send it off. The second thing you're going to want to do is be sure to put this gel pack in the freezer. You're going to need to ship the sample with this gel pack to keep it cold. These are the test instructions. Please be sure to read this at least 3 days prior to taking your test kit collection, because you do have to avoid certain foods. Please read the foods you need to avoid for 3 days beforehand, for 24 hours beforehand, and also please, females, you cannot collect if you're on your menstrual cycle. You're just going to use the second morning collection for this test. So you're going to go to the bathroom and flush your first morning urine. You're going to wait 2 hours. You're going to go in this urine specimen cup. You're going to fill this specimen cup to the fill line, which is right here on this tube. Make sure that you put in all your patient information on this tube as well. You're going to put this tube, the gel pack, and the requisition form in this box. You're going to put everything in this FedEx box. They have a label filled out for you, and you're going to call FedEx 800-238-5355 to schedule a pickup. Do not use a drop box for this test. FedEx will not accept specimens placed into a drop box. Thank you.